Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that's at the forefront of AI advancements, prompt engineering. Whether you're a content creator, a developer, or just someone curious about learning language models, understanding prompt engineering can truly unlock the potential of these AI marvels. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's establish what prompt engineering actually is. Imagine prompts as the instructions you give to an AI model. So properly crafting these prompts is what we call as prompt engineering. It's all about how we can maximize the efficiency and the quality of models' responses. Prompt engineering is crucial because the quality of your prompt directly influences the AI's response. A well-crafted prompt can lead to accurate and relevant outputs, while a poorly constructed one might yield confusing or irrelevant results. So let's explore some key strategies to master prompt engineering. First and foremost, specificity is the key. Rather than asking vague questions, provide clear context and details. For instance, compare "tell me about dogs" to "describe the unique characteristics of Siberian Huskies." The latter prompt guides the AI towards a more precise response. Think of context as the background information you provide to set the stage for the model. It helps the AI understand what you want. For example, when asking about a historical event, provide the exact date, location, and relevant details. Formatting your prompts can guide the model's output. You can use instructions like list, explain, or compare, depending on the type of response you want. This gives the AI a clear direction. Last but not the least, including examples can be incredibly effective. If you want the AI to write a story in a certain style, give it an example story in that style. This helps the AI to understand your expectations better and generate content that aligns with your intent. And there you have it, the art of prompt engineering. Creating effective prompts empowers you to harness the full potential of AI models like GPT 3.5. Remember, simplicity, examples, formatting, and context are your guiding stars. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI-related content. Feel free to comment down below with your thoughts and questions. Until next time, happy prompt engineering.